How to activate Bluetooth on Windows. Complete guide. Connecting devices to your computer, such as headphones, keyboards, or wireless mice, requires Bluetooth to be enabled. And here are three detailed methods to activate Bluetooth on Windows easily and effectively. Let's get started, guys. So the method number one is activating through the quick setting menu. So this is the fastest way to check if the Bluetooth is enabled and to turn on if needed. The first thing we have to do is open the quick settings menu. So click on the notification icon at the bottom center right corner of the screen near the clock. And we are going to see and try to find the Bluetooth icon. If the icon is highlighted or lit up, it means Bluetooth is already enabled. If it appears gray or dimmed, click it to activate the Bluetooth. When you click the right button in it, we are going on Show Bluetooth Device. Here on the Bluetooth device that you guys just click it to open, we have right here in this part the Bluetooth, and we have the on and off button. If it's off, turn it on. If it's on, turn it off. If the Bluetooth icon doesn't appear in the quick settings menu down below, proceed to the next method. Okay, so the method number two is activating through the Windows setting menu. If the Bluetooth doesn't show up in the quick setting menu, you can enable it directly through the system settings. Access the settings menu, or just click Windows plus I, go to Bluetooth devices, and we are gonna see right here the Bluetooth. The same thing, on and off. When the device is connected, guys, we have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and to see if the Bluetooth that you want, the mouse, the headset, the headphone, whatever you want is connected, we are going to click on devices. Here on other devices, it will show up the devices that can be connected in your Bluetooth. If it's not showing up, we are going to go back on the Bluetooth and devices right here and go on add device. It will be three options, and you're going to click the Bluetooth one, and of course turn the Bluetooth option in your device that you want, turn on it, and just let it appear here. When it appear, you'll be here, you're going to click in it and wait to it to appear. Okay, I'm going to cancel right here because I don't have any Bluetooth in it. The method number three, guys, is checking and enable through device manager. If a Bluetooth doesn't appear in settings menu, it might be disabled in the system or the drive might be missing. So we are going to click this plus R option. We're going to click to write actually Davi mgmt.msc and press enter. The device manager will open, and we are going to click on Bluetooth. Check under the Intel wireless Bluetooth. We are going to click and go on update driver. Search automatically for drives. For me, the best driver for my device is already installed. We are going to do this in all of these. Okay. Another thing that we can do, guys, is this is the method number four. It's a bonus. We are going on Windows. We are going to write services.msc press enter. Here we are going to look for the Bluetooth audio gateway. Click the right button, properties. Here on startup type manual, you put on automatic, apply. You do the same in this one right here, Bluetooth support device. Click the right button, go on properties, change the manual for automatic, and go on apply and OK. Now if you are using a computer, and not all computers have Bluetooth in it, so you're going to have to do is go on Google, then here you're going to look for dongle Bluetooth 5.0, and you're going to buy this thing that is called a dongle. It simulates a Bluetooth in your computer. If you arrive in your house, then you're going to look like a pen drive, and it work the same way as a implanted one in your laptop, but in your computer. If this video helped you guys, please leave a comment below, leave your like. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to help us and bring more solutions for you guys in general. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and see you soon. Bye bye.